Hey everybody, welcome back to the Real Estate Machine Show and Marich Machine Mondays. Special episode today. I got my boy Nick Jamal here from Superior Steel Stamp. And, Nick is one of the guys that I consider a partner. Superior Steel Stamp, a partner shop of ours here at Marich Machine. And, some of the capabilities that Nick can do over at his place complement us pretty well, and he's right down the street, so we tend to kind of bail each other out every once in a while, right?
Sure.
And maybe I can do some things for him that kind of out of his capacity. So again, it just kind of boils down to a little bit of a partnership that we've developed over the years, and I wanted to bring him on, give him a chance to talk about Superior Steel Stamp, and then just kind of have a little chat about manufacturing and what we're all doing, what we're all about. So Nick, you want to give us a few little elevator pitch for us?
Yeah. So Superior Steel Stamp is a company my dad purchased right basically after the economy crash. When I was younger, so 08, 09.
08?
Yeah.
How young are you, dude? Come on.
I'm 27.
Oh my God, baby.
So that happened. I was still I was in high school. Wasn't involved in the machine shops at all. And then, so he got that when he purchased that business, it was really dying. There was only basically one employee there, and then they had all their equipment was antiquated, and so I would just go hang out there, start sweeping the floor and stuff like that. And then he had one machinist, and I started to watch him, ask him questions, and then eventually it was just a snowball effect of curiosity. To fulfill my curiosity and capabilities, and then we ended up getting some more business, upgrading our equipment, and with that in time came, everything from getting the softwares to the CNC machines to, having one person, and now we have 7 people, and now we just specialize in making marking dies, embossing dies, and then we do general machining, but we specifically focus on the niche of small, detailed engraving, and that's kind of what our expertise is. That's where we help you out with those big parts for the castings.
Yep.
And so yeah, we like to we like to focus and really excel at that and get better at that, because that's kind of just different than the general machine shops. So yeah, we just work together with other companies. We'll get some molds. We'll do engraving in the molds. We'll do embossing dies. We'll do marking equipment, and basically our main goal is to just give people good customer service, get their parts out on time, and answer the phone.
Yeah,
that's our
number one. You guys have a telephone. Oh, yeah.
I hate it when people don't answer, and I feel like that's given us a lot of opportunity for growth, just to have good customer service, a good product, and good people working for us. So.
Absolutely. Communication to me is one of the major things, and it's not only with with your customer, but it's with your people,
right,
down on the shop floor and stuff like that. And I've been to your shop several times, obviously, and you guys got a great little setup over there, and I'm really impressed with just you kind of starting in not in anything machining. And it seems to me like you've learned along the way, and you kind of taught yourself. You're just kind of one of those kind of like high IQ guys that
not really
understand that stuff.
I kind of just ask a lot of questions.
Yeah.
So like if I'm in your shop and a guy's doing something, you guys do something totally different than what we do, and I'll see the guy running that big Mazak lathe with the live tooling, right? And it's got all this stuff going on. I don't think I'm going to get a Mazak lathe with all this big stuff. It's just so different than what we do, but I'm so curious.
You're inquisitive about it. Yeah.
I ask questions, and I don't do that to rob anybody's shop. I do that for sheer just curiosity.
Yeah.
Because everything intertwines, right? The more you know, just the more well-rounded you are. So I'm not smart. I think I'm just more curious.
Yeah.
And I think
don't sell yourself short, Nick. You're a smart guy. All right. You're a hell of a lot smarter than I am. That's for sure. But anyway, so, like we said, it's been it's kind of been a partnership in the making, and, he's helped us out with a lot of stuff. And, we in turn maybe get some of the stuff that, maybe is oversized for him. We've got a little bit bigger machines. But, the moral of the whole story is that this manufacturing business, as far as I'm concerned, is kind of at a turning point when it comes to collaborating with shops, right?
For sure.
So, I think that arguably you can do some of the same things that we can and vice versa.
Mhm.
But I think there's a trust factor here that if I'm going to give you a job, I don't have to worry about you stealing a customer.
I think
Right.
everybody that I'll do something for never hides the name of the print they're giving me for the company, because there's a mutual understanding there, and we're all in business to do long-term business, right?
Exactly right. Exactly
not
right.
trying to make a quick buck.
Nobody's going to retire on that little piece that you're
No.
engraving. You know what
Yeah.
I mean?
It's got to be long-term.
Long-term relationships. But we'd love this. So this is our kind of our first Marich Machine Monday where we have a guest on. So Nick, congratulations for making that cut. Appreciate you.
Sweet, thanks.
But if you guys have any comments below, make some comments in the YouTube. This will be up on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. And hope that you can share it. Superior Steel Stamp is the company. Nick, you want to give some information out there as far as like contacts?
Yeah, so superiorsteelstamp.com is where you could check out. That's where we specifically showcase more of the marking dies, tool die type of work, embossing dies and stuff like that. We have a whole nother brand called Stamp Yours, which is geared towards basically people who are going to be branding their logo on wood or making jewelry with some stamps. So make alphabet sets, custom stamps, coining dies. And so that's stampyours.com. And that Stamp Yours has a special place with me because that's the brand I started off of Superior Steel Stamp when we were starting out. And I kind of saw that there was a need for that in that niche market of people who are doing jewelry making and stuff, like where they have Etsy shops, they go from Etsy shops to having their own full-blown websites, and people are making a lot of stuff at home and selling it. And so we started Stamp Yours to support those customers. And so that's been blowing up pretty good. And we just, based on, our expertise, we have a graphic designer that optimizes artwork and makes sure that the product we're going to make is going to be suitable to have the best impression on the medium that they're going to be stamping. And so that's Stamp Yours. That's where we specialize in the jewelry industry, wood branding and coining dies, stuff like that, more artistic. And so yeah, you can find us there. Our Instagram is Stamp Yours, and we post more about Stamp Yours because it's a bigger online following than more manufacturing. So
very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah, that's exciting stuff. So listen, everybody, thanks so much for joining us today. Nick, thank you for coming on. And
Thanks for having me.
years ahead of business together, right, pal?
For sure. Yes.
All right, buddy. We'll talk soon.